In the heart of a sunlit desert, a charismatic motorcycle revved up its engines for a journey like no other. It swiftly meandered through the golden dunes, its presence attracting the attention of an unexpected troop of meerkats. With cautious curiosity, the meerkats gathered around, intrigued by the two-wheeled marvel. Harnessing the playful energy around, the motorcycle shared tales of breathtaking highways and the courage it takes to ride in the unknown. Meanwhile, witnessing travelers passing by, it shared insights on embracing life's ever-changing landscapes. Observing the meerkats, the motorcycle pondered on adaptability, the ability to navigate through vast terrains, drawing inspiration from the desert's resilient denizens.